I'm gonna get right into it. What do you think, dear? Should we cut it long ways or in half?
I was thinking long ways.
Alright. Just gonna easel it in there. It's a pretty good sized cactus, too. Alright. So, in the comments now, I want you guys to tell me what you think this cactus is gonna look like on the inside. Before I remove my hand, go ahead and pause the video, timestamp, mark, whatever. Tell me what you think is inside this cactus. Give you a couple more seconds. Alright. Wow. Get that to focus in on there. So, we're going to go ahead and quarter it. And this cactus was just not taken to its soil anymore. The root had died. I figured before it went and shriveled up on me, I'd go ahead and see what's inside of this thing. Hey dear, you dare me to try a piece of the meat?
Yeah, there you go.
Oh God. Oh, okay, let's prepare this delicacy here. Let's just try this little center section here. What I would consider the meat of the cactus. Oh God. This could be really good, really bitter, poisonous, I don't know. Probably not poisonous. It don't taste bad, it don't taste good. It tastes like I chewed up a plant. I didn't swallow in case there's any poison in it. I'm not a cactus expert, but so let's go back to this thing. Let's spit one more time to get the poison out. If there is any. So here you can see where the I guess the root goes internally. Let's see if I can dig that out. That's like root that you can see it pretty well there. Yeah, there's a good piece of root right there. Focus. God, this camera. There we go. No, it was good. It had good quality. Hold on. Yeah. So that's all root that was inside of the cactus. This is very interesting what's inside of them. Go ahead and get a little peel going on. See if I can see what's happening just underneath the skin of the cactus. It's pricking me so bad. It's a freaking cactus, what do I expect?
Can't believe you're trying to touch that stuff.
So that's just underneath the skin. We got a pretty good sample there. Let's see if we can dig it out. See, it looks like if alright, so we'll follow the tip of the knife here. These little that's good. That's good quality. So these little veins, they're splitting around the darker green areas. So I feel like there's actually a honeycomb shape inside of here technically. It's just we're not able to see much of it. Let's see if I can pinch some of those. Pricking pretty bad. There we go. So a little more honeycomb pattern released here. So, well, It just seems to be that cell molecule right there, and it looks like another one. I'm pretty sure it is, but I'm having a hard time getting through these layers without pricking myself really badly. Like that. So, yeah, I guess this has been an in-depth on what's inside of a full-on cactus. Come on, focus. Last shot of the damn night. Yeah. There we go. Full-on. It's pretty nicely. Yeah, there we go. So that's what's inside of a cactus. You guys have a great night. If you like this content, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.